What I'm going to show you now is my method of cheat binding a quilt. And in a nutshell, you're going to use your backing as your binding. So there's a few things you want to think of before you get to this point. Choose a backing fabric that you're okay with seeing as a final border on your quilt. And also make sure that you leave enough backing fabric around each side to account for your binding. So here, I have left 3 inches of backing bigger than my quilt. I'm going to take my backing, fold it over once so that it's in line with my quilt top with trimmed wadding, and then fold it over twice. And I'm then going to pin it down. Leave the corners for the moment because I'm going to show you a really cute way to tuck them so that they look really nice and tidy. But here we go. I'm going to pin this down, and now I'm just going to rotate my quilt. There we go. And again, just folding it over once. Move any loose threads. Folding it over twice. Do that across the whole length, but I'll just show you this corner right now. Pin it down. And here we go for the corner. If it's quite bulky, if you're using a small amount of fabric, you might want to trim a little bit of your internals. But for this one, it feels manageable to me. And ta-da, I'm just going to take that and fold it over so that it looks like a lovely, tidy corner. And I'm going to pin that down. Do that to the whole of your quilt and all of your corners. And then we're just going to sew a continuous line all around your border, sealing it down. So now you've done it. You've made a beautiful log cabin quilt. You've got your wonderful cheats binding, backing as binding. It's sewn, it's good to go. Enjoy!